What is a statutory employee, and how does it affect payroll? Have you ever wondered what a statutory employee is and how it impacts payroll for small businesses? Let's break it down in a simple way. A statutory employee is a unique type of worker in the United States tax system. While they may look like independent contractors, the Internal Revenue Service requires that they be treated as employees for specific payroll tax purposes. This classification is essential for small business owners and payroll managers because it affects how taxes are withheld and reported. Statutory employees typically fall into certain roles. These include full-time traveling salespeople who take orders for merchandise, life insurance sales agents, drivers delivering food or beverages, and homeworkers making goods at home using materials supplied by their employer. Corporate officers of some organizations may also be considered statutory employees. When it comes to payroll, statutory employees are not treated exactly like regular employees. Employers are not required to withhold federal income tax from their paychecks. However, they must withhold and pay Social Security and Medicare taxes, also known as Federal Insurance Contributions Act taxes, on behalf of statutory employees. In some cases, federal unemployment tax may also apply. For payroll processing, statutory employees receive a Form W-2 at the end of the year. Their wages are reported in Box 1, and Box 13 is checked to indicate their status as a statutory employee. This is different from independent contractors, who receive a Form 1099 and are responsible for paying all their own taxes. From a tax and accounting perspective, correctly classifying statutory employees is essential. Misclassifying them as independent contractors can lead to penalties from the Internal Revenue Service, especially if the business fails to withhold and pay the required Federal Insurance Contributions Act taxes. Small business owners should review the Internal Revenue Service guidelines and consult with a tax professional to ensure compliance. Understanding statutory employees helps small businesses plan their payroll tax strategies. By knowing when to withhold Federal Insurance Contributions Act taxes and report wages on a Form W-2, businesses can avoid costly mistakes and stay compliant with tax laws. This knowledge is especially relevant for businesses with salespeople, delivery drivers, or homeworkers, as these roles are most likely to be affected by statutory employee rules. Proper classification also supports accurate financial reporting and helps businesses maintain good standing with tax authorities.